If we need to replace one widget with another, the Paste to Replace feature will be extremely convenient. First, drag in a button and 3 badges. If we want to copy and paste the style of the button to the following badges, the traditional method is to copy the button above first. Then, right-click on the 3 badges below, and select Paste Special and Paste Style. You can see that the styles of the 3 badges below have changed, but their sizes remain the same. If we want to directly change the sizes and texts to be the same as the button above, we can utilize the Paste to Replace feature. In this way, the 3 badges below will be transformed into buttons, and their style effects and interactions will be identical to those of the button. This feature can be applied to all complex widgets. For instance, if I drag in a card and want to transform the 3 buttons above into this card, I can copy the card, select the 3 buttons, and then choose Paste to Replace. You will see that the 3 buttons have transformed into 3 cards. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share with others. Thank you.